Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. In recovery mode, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the third option, enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So here in the Fastboot mode, like in the previous pane, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, or power off. So if you want to quit Fastboot mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.